could be superstars. We've been round the wrecking car. What is at stake for us? Kicking up on the rise. Yeah, we could be superstars.
Super ground.
But I'm pretty sure our time is up.
Now you teach
So we plan on the spinning top. No, maybe for trial. The table arrow.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all third on bitches. I put it in.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be reviewing this wig that was sent to me by MegaLook. This is their 5x5 lace closure wig. This is their balayage. I forgot how to pronounce that. Hold on, let me say it the right way. Balayage. There we go. This is their balayage wig. It is super cute. I did go ahead and bleach and pluck off camera. They did have an elastic band, but it was too loose. Okay, so that was the only thing that I'm like, But besides that, this 5x5 closure was giving, as you guys saw in the preview. So let's go ahead and just get into it. As you guys see right now, I'm just getting this like more secured on my head. Like I said, that lace band, that elastic band, it was just too loose. Like it wasn't tight, so I didn't feel secure with just that. But we're gonna go ahead and just comb this out. Today we are gonna be doing a middle part, and y'all, look how far back that middle part goes. Do you guys see that? I love that so much, because sometimes those parts be so short, but with this part it goes all the way back, and I feel like the further back it goes, the more natural it looks. I don't know, that could be just a personal thing.
Free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka 28 Carvin. We could've been superstars.
So if you guys watch any of my hair install videos, you guys know I live by a hot comb. I got this hot comb from the hair store, probably for like $10. It's not the best hot comb in the world, but girl, it gets the job done. It is so important that you hot comb your lace, full lace closure, frontal, whatever it is. Make sure you hot comb it. That is going to give you the most natural look possible. You want this wig to be flat, okay? You want it to be nice and flat and look like it's coming at your scalp. So take your time. Also, I didn't show in this video, but I go like even in parts. Like I'll part it, hot comb it, part another part, hot comb it. Like I be deep into the lace, okay? So for today, I'm using the Eben hair. This is their lace spray, like their hairspray. And call me late, but child, what's the other glue? The yellow bottle one? What is it? Gots to be? I'm sorry, baby, but Gots to be it gots to be in the trash now, because I am in love with their sprays. I used to see it all over TikTok, but I'm the type of person, once I like something, I kind of just stick to it. I am obsessed. I'm so glad I tried this spray out. First of all, it lasts so long. It does not lift as quickly as the Gots to be does. I kind of feel like it's like sweat proof in a way. They have a black one that's actually waterproof, but I tried out the red first and it's my favorite. I will try out the black one. You guys can comment down below which spray is your favorite. Even if it's not the Eben one, let me know. But y'all, I'm obsessed. Like, I don't know, it just gives natural, it lasts. Yeah, it definitely does its job. So I think I might be over Gots to be glue. But after I sprayed it down and blow dried it, I'm gonna go ahead and take elastic band, and we are just gonna tie that down. You guys know 10 minutes. I like to do 10 minutes. I usually leave it on longer than 10 minutes though, because I take that time to like do my styling. So for today, they did send me a straight wig, so I'm just bringing back, you know, the bone straight vibes. I washed it and blew dry it, or blow dried it. That's the word, not blue dried. But after I washed and blow dried it, it did lose like its straightness. It's just like fluffy. So we're just, you know, flat ironing it. I flat iron my hair at 455 degrees, which is very, very high, but it's a weave, so it could take some heat. So in the meantime of me working on the hair, let me just tell you guys how I feel about the hair. I love it. I'm obsessed. I want to work with this company again, and I actually want to get a frontal by them because their closure was amazing. I liked how the lace was just easily like blending into my skin, giving, you know, flawless. And then the hair quality is just amazing. The hair is thick. It was not shedding. It does not tangle. I'm obsessed. And I'm also obsessed with the color of it. It's not the standard honey highlight wig. I love that it has highlights and lowlights. I'm just literally obsessed with it.
Switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could have been superstars. Helping now, I'm reminiscing. Remember we were checking cars. Now you better keep your distance.
Guys, I'm obsessed with this wig. Like, I'm literally in love, in love, in love, in love, in love, in love. Like, I don't want to give up this wig. I'm wearing this wig until this wig fall apart and fall off my head, child. I love it. Also, as you guys can see, like, it really didn't even need edges. Like, when I say just out the gate, when I cut that lace off, it was given. You could just walk out the house like that. But today I wanted to do edges because why not?
Got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. Cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today I drove through the suburbs crying cause you weren't around. And you're probably with that blonde girl who always made me doubt. She's so much older than me. She's everything I'm insecure about. Yet today I drove through the suburbs. Cause how could I ever love someone now? And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay and I'm gone. If you didn't mean what you wrote in that song.
This edge is giving.
Let's get kicked.
Cause you said forever, now I drive along the streets. All my friends are tired of hearing how much I miss you, but I kinda feel sorry for them, cause they'll never know you the way that I do. Yet today I drove through the suburbs and pictured I was driving home to you.
Alrighty, y'all, so that is pretty much it for this hair, guys. I'm literally in love. If you guys are interested in purchasing it, all the information on this hair will be linked down below. For, you know, is it Team 60 approved? Very much. If it was 1 out of 5 stars, girl, it's getting 7 stars on my list. I love this wig. I'm actually going to be wearing it again. I just wore it for my mom's birthday, and I'm going to wear it again and again and again and again. So you guys are going to see this on my channel a lot. Shout out to MegaLook. Thank you for sponsoring this video today. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see my subbies in my next video. Love you guys.